Hello.
This is my final Figma design. Can you test it?
Okay, sure.
Here is a sign up. So you can put here full.
Uh,
Okay, this is a login page. You
Okay.
can put here email and password, then
Okay.
login. This is the home page. You can choose from here doctor,
Okay.
and here is a book and appointment,
Okay.
and you can select a date from here and time, patient name, patient mobile number and problem, and confirm appointment. Here's the appointment details, and go through back button, and here is a
Okay.
okay, here is a category, total category. There is a logout button.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
can you give me a feedback?
I'll give you some feedback in this. Um, I think your system doesn't support online e-transaction, so if you can implement this in your real application, it would be great for you. And thank you. Nothing much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hello Vijay, this is my final Figma design. So you can sign up from here, full name, email and password. Here is the login page. You can log in from here, and this is the doctor home page. You can go category also. This is the home page. Here is the doctor, and you can book an appointment from here. You put everything for in there and confirm appointment, and appointment is successfully. Here is the log out page. You can log out from here, and please give me a feedback.
Yeah, that was quite, but you have to improve something. Doctor's profile was quite messy, so you can improve it in real design. It was so congested like that, so you can improve it.
Okay,
That's
thank you
good.
so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Rasu sir.
Yes. Hello.
This is my final Figma design.
Yes.
You can sign up from here,
Yeah.
and here is the login button. So you can log in from there, and this is the home screen. This is the category, and this is the appointment schedule, and this is the profile, and you can log out from there. And in home screen, you can book an appointment, confirm appointment, and go back, and you can see your appointment here. All appointment here. So do you have any feedback?
Yeah. Your app is very perfectly running, but little bit UI is not designed well.
Okay, noted. Thank you so much.